Before doing any kind of nail art, you want to make sure that you do a quick buff over the nail to remove any shine. That includes top coats or natural oils. Now you can use a gel polish or a regular polish. I'm going to be using gel for this video in particular. Now, I tried to kind of tweak this because the brightness was up too high and you couldn't see what I was doing, so hopefully you can see it a little bit better now. But this is all in execution, which is not my strongest suit. So if I can do this, you definitely can. You just make these little, I don't know, sideways S's. Now I'm going to use a white dip powder. You can also use an acrylic powder. And while the polish is still wet, I'm going to pour this over the top. As you see, I'm going to tap off the extra excess, I guess. And then I'm going to cure that the full length of time that you would for a regular polish. Sweep off the excess and you're done.